I'm here in the highlands of Ethiopia. Behind me here, you can see the local cattle are getting a drink, but it's been a problem for the local community to get clean and safe drinking water, which is why today I've been visiting what's called a wash facility, which has given people safe drinking water. It's not been available to them for the last 5 years, but I'm hearing what a difference it makes. Okay, that's about 20 liters of water in there. You can tell it's not light. I'm pretty out of breath for doing it for 10 seconds. This is Zaid, and for the last 5 years, she's carried that 4 hours every single day, 2 hours from her home and 2 hours back. Now with the wash facility here, that has taken such a pressure off her and many other women in the area.
So she saying that is unspoken. Something is very difficult. We had very difficult life. We were traveling more than 3 hours so round trip to fetch water, and in the middle we had been just encountered by young people who want stuff, kind of harassment, and we were getting afraid to travel in even in nights. We were traveling, and that was really difficult for us. I don't have even words to just express what we feel and the advantages we have got. Fetching from here, every member of the community is happy and has benefited. The young, the old, all people are benefited from this water.